Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the account that owns the subscription. Once signed in, confirm the exact plan name and active payment method so you avoid surprises. On a PC, open account. Microsoft, Com, or on Xbox, go to Settings Account Subscriptions. On the Xbox mobile app, tap Subscriptions. Make sure you have any two-step verification codes available. Now that you're authenticated and aware of the plan and payment source, proceed to the management options to make a change. Once on the subscription page, choose Manage to see Switch Plan, Cancel, or Update Payment. If switching plans, pick the target plan and the system will show prorated charges or credits. Review the financial details so you know when billing changes. If updating payment, enter the new card or PayPal and verify. After selecting the action, confirm it. You'll often see an immediate billing adjustment or a scheduled change at next renewal. Make sure to read the confirmation pop-up before finalizing. Finish by checking your email for the confirmation and then verify the subscription status online or on your console. Once done, restart the Xbox or app to refresh access to games and perks. Make sure new entitlements appear. If you don't see changes or billing shows an error, check payment details and any holds on your bank, then retry or contact Microsoft support with your order ID. As a quick tip, clear the console cache or sign out and back in before contacting support to rule out temporary sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.